Good morning, all of you. Now, today we'll study types of relation. Yesterday we have discussed what is a relation. A relation from set A to B is a subset of A cross B. I have taken example. Suppose set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a relation is defined from A to A. That means the relation will be a subset of A cross A. So A 1, 2, 3, 4, again A 1, 2, 3, 4. First, I will find out A cross A. In A cross A, how many ordered pairs will have 16? Because in A set we have 4 elements. Also in this we have 4 elements. So 4 into 4, how many ordered pairs? 16. So 1 will be paired up with all 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1 like this. There will be 16 ordered pair. Now out of the 16 ordered pair, some of the ordered pairs I am selecting. Suppose I have taken 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3. This is a subset. Obviously R1 is what? R1 is a subset of A cross A. So can we say that R1 will be a relation as per definition, because every relation is a subset of A cross A. Similarly, I have taken R2. In this I have taken pair 1, 1, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3. All these are subsets of A cross A. So, then I have taken R3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1 and 2, 3 I have taken 2 times, so I will remove this 4, 4. So these 3 relations. Now we have to check out of these 3 relations which relation will be reflexive. Now for reflexive, it's very basic definition. Reflexivity, how to check? We have to see the elements of set A. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So a relation R on set A to A is said to be reflexive if every element of set A is mapped with itself. That means 1 will be mapped with 1. So 1, 1 should be there in the relation. 2, 2 should be there in the relation. 3, 3 should be there in the relation. And 4, 4 should be there in the relation. So first we'll check whether R1 follow this property or not. First element is 1. So 1, 1 is present in R1. If we take 1, 1 belongs to what? Set A. Then 1, 1, it belongs to R1. Similarly, if I say 2, 2 belongs to A, again 2, 2 is there. Now when I say 3, 3, 3 is also there, but 4, 4. For this element 4, 4, is not there. So therefore this relation is not reflexive. It can have any other element other than that, but 4, 4 is not there, so the relation is not reflexive. Similarly for second, 1, 1 is there, 3, 3 is there, 4, 4 is there, but 2, 2 is not there, 2, 2. So again the relation is not reflexive. Now for third, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So all the elements are mapped with itself. Therefore, this relation R3 is called reflexive. So from here we define the definition of reflexive relation as defined as a relation R on set A is said to be reflexive if for all small a belonging to A, that means for all elements A, A belongs to R. So this is the condition for reflexive nature.